Ordinary fishbowl sa kanto, guys. Feeling high-end siya, and the sauce, it's 10-10. Next, this cheese waffle. Grabe ang laki niya and super floppy, perfecto habang mainit. Syempre, nasa Binondo tayo, so hindi mawawala ang tikoy. It's chewy, sweet, and giving me all the Chinese New Year vibes. This is one of their desserts. We got the chocolate and the matcha flavor. Ang soft ng cookie, tapos yung feeling sa loob. Ang sarap, umaapok pa talaga. Wow! Ito yung nagustuhan ko, yung matcha flavor. Ang sarap ng amber taro nila. Super creamy. Ito naman yung kay mama, colorful fruit tea. Super refreshing daw niyan. Meron din silang coconut latte, pearl milk tea, and milk tea gulaman. And they also have the caramel pudding cup. Kaya Marky Bob was right, sulit dito sa Hello HMT, from the snack to the drink. Kaya if you're in Binondo this February, drop by na para may avail yung 10% off, at huwag kalimutan yung free delivery if you're staying nearby. Thanks for watching and see you sa next food adventure ko. Bye!